So, looks like it's gonna be pie day today. So I've just gotta clean these bad boys up and then tack some of them together and then get that and that together, and then that pipe is ready to be welded. Okay, I've got all the pies polished up and the fittings, everything polished up, so I'm gonna tack these together and then we see how it fits up inside the car. Alright, so here's where we at. Nice clearance, it's looking pretty sweet. The light's still gonna fit nicely as well, so I just need to do a couple more pies just to get those. Actually, I think 2 more pies on a straight piece and we should be Gucci Malucci, and then I'll weld those bad boys up, and then I just need to fit the water meth nozzle there as well. Yeah, shop's looking crazy, dude. Look at this place. It's a mess, yo. It's a mess. But yeah, I wanna hustle on this and get it all done. Alright, so this pipe is fitting up real nice. Fits up real good there, so I must weld it up. The only thing I have done is I've taken this electronic adjuster out for the light because it takes up so much space here. Like, it comes all the way till here, and I don't want to make the bend any tighter, so I'll make a little manual knob over there if you need to set the lights. But that looks pretty good and flows pretty good, so I'll tack it up and I'll show you what the pipe looks like outside now. Alright, how's that for a complicated pie cut story? It's like a retarded 90 with a retarded 45, but anyway. So I'm gonna weld this up now and then I'll send you some pics again. Okay, I'm still busy, but these first couple rings are welded up. So just gotta finish those. I'm just waiting for the pipe to cool down. But it's looking pretty decent. Alrighty, that piece is all welded up. So it's all done. So I'm just gonna weld that bottom piece and then I'll weld the two together and make another video. Alrighty, that's that bottom pipe from the cooler going up, so that's also welded. So I'm just gonna weld that one and this together now, and then alright, fits up pretty good, nice clearance everywhere. Can't really see, so it's a bit difficult to check. But yeah, it does fit up nicely and it looks good too. Oh, let me bend my back here. There we go. So I just need to do that last little weld there. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, there's the pipe all done and dusted. All welded up and finished. Last weld also done, so that's all finished. I just kind of need to do the water meth nozzle now.